gonna be getting on people's nerves. It's the third time I had to reconnect. Sorry, everybody. Alright. So I'm waiting on Kuttin with Kearnz, and hopefully Legacy Razor will hop in. And anyone else. I've had like 3 people total come in, and I ended the feed. My kid's birthday. I'm waiting on him to get home from school. That's why I'm doing this now. Only chance I have. And nobody, but that's alright. Give it a second. See what happens. I would imagine everyone's feed starts out this way. This is my first one. I'm nervous as hell. One thing being in the bathroom shaving. If I don't like it, I can always restart it or redo it. I'm going to try not to cuss. I don't mean to, but it slips out sometimes. Alright. Give it a second, see who joins. I don't know the protocol for this, if you're supposed to start it and just wait. I haven't really watched anyone's feed after the fact. I join in while it's happening, but I've never really watched. Smiles for Miles I did. I think maybe he edits his or something. Because it's usually starting right up. Hey. What's up, man? You're the only person here. Give it a second and I'll start. People busy, I guess. Yeah, no, I don't know how to. I think after you put it on the feed or in your story or whatever, it writes itself. The first video I did, I was getting pissed off. I'm like, what's going on here? What did I do? Alright. What do you think, man? Should I start? There's a couple of people. This is like the third time I had to reconnect. Oh, okay. Instagram. Go figure. Yeah, no one's joining. No biggie. Alright. Screw it, I'll start. This is my opening implement. It's a Extreme Ops Smith & Wesson Hawkbill. Morgan A. Taylor designed it. I've had this thing for like 10 years. So, alright. This is the first one. This is from Legacy Shave, Ryan. And he has a thing where you pay $45 and you get just a random razor that he picks. You don't know the brand, you don't know size, age, none of that. So it's like a 100% surprise. So I've never seen this thing. I asked him if he could do like a 3/8 or a 1/2, something smaller, and he said he'd take a look, but he's kind of cryptic, which is awesome. So I can't wait to see what we've got here. Whoops. Hey, that's cool. It's always a bonus when they throw in a little extra. And he sent how to take care of it, which is also cool. I like that a lot. So this guy is very in tune with what he does. As a receipt. Alright, ready? can't wait. Let's see what we got. Oh, this looks promising. Ooh. Pretty scales. And oh my gosh, he did. Look at that, man. He actually did it. I think that's a 3/8. I'm pretty sure. I'm looking here. I don't know if I can do it on there. Yeah, dude. That's a 3/8. That's awesome. No grips on the jimps. So this is an older one. And there's a, do you know what brand that is? I'll have to look that up. I don't know, but he did, man. He gave me a 3/8. That is badass. I want one of these because I don't shave the whole beard. I detail. Well, I am very happy with that, Ryan. Thank you. This is amazing. This thing, and it's older, you can tell. Oh, Webster Brothers. I'm an idiot. Solingen, however you pronounce it. Germany. And ironically, John, that's an Anchor, man. I'll have to do some research on that brand. I'm sure other people know that, hands down. I don't know what that is. I don't know enough about the straights. Thanks, Ryan. Appreciate it. It's, you guys, if anyone watches this later, go to Legacy Razors and look up, what is it? Sight Unseen on his Etsy page. And you just pay $45 every time you get a random razor. Thanks. Now for the Coupe de Grace. Alright. So this thing, dude. That's almost 8 pounds. And I looked it up. That's the equivalent of a full gallon of milk. So thank you. I can't wait to see what this is. You told me a couple things, or one thing, but still haven't seen it. Alright. Well, you met him? I just met him once. I'm talking to him about doing honing on my grandfather's razor. He's a nice dude. Holy crap. Okay, let me see if I can do this without dropping anything. Either that or just grab the phone. I'll do that. That probably makes more sense. Oh, yeah. I'll read that when I'm done here. Oh, man. Oh, this is like Christmas, man. Woo! Oh, the box smells good, too. Alright, so let's start with this very obvious thing here. That's yelling me first. Let's put this off this side here. Dude, I already see, I think, 2 things that I was thinking about buying. I like this pouch too. Thank you. That's an added bonus. That's really nice, man. Thank you very much. There it is. This actually, man. Wow, this is nice. Holy crap. And I'm not going to do the ring. I don't do that. Because you just screwed up the edge. I know it's nice. Sounds nice, but I really try not to do that. This might be a legit Damascus. Looks like it. I know it's weird me smelling it. It actually kind of has a smell to it. This might be legit. This is nice, dude. I don't know. What brand is it? don't see a stamp. That's really nice. Looks custom. I like it, dude. Feels nice. Thank you very much. I don't know. That might be legit, man. I think it is. I'll try shaving with it. You said it needs to be honed. I'll take a look. Try honing it, stropping it. Thank you very much. That case is nice, dude. I didn't expect that. Alright. So, IC razors. Well, he gave me some samples. Thanks, man. Out of Cali. Thank you very much. See the diamond and arrow. Oh, that smells yummy. Black Magic. You gave me a lot of samples, dude. Thank you. More Gillette. And more Gillette. This is some classic stuff, dude. Thank you very much. Trying not to hit the edges too much. That's cool. Thanks, dude. He's got a lot of Shannon soap here. All I've bought from Shannon soap so far is the Warrior. And I liked it. I haven't shaved with it. I need to do a video doing it. It smells wonderful. Oh. Black Magic. Valley Parkway. Oh, the lime too. I was thinking about that one. And Lakeshore Drive. Oh yeah, I like that one. Oh my gosh, man. That smells like a beach. I like that a lot. This is insane, man. This is a lot of stuff. Get another view real quick. Hope this isn't a no-no moving the phone, but try not to give people motion sickness. Look at all that stuff. There we go. It's my son's birthday. Later today, so that's why I'm doing this kind of early. Alrighty. Unlocking. I'm unwrapping this. Oh, they're based out of Cleveland. I didn't know that. Very cool. I like her butterfly stuff she's been posting on Instagram. My daughter loves that stuff that she's been doing. They seem very cool. Holy Caw. Awesome. That's one of the ones I listed to you. I had my eye on. Dude, that's cool. Thanks, man. Let me see. Alright, don't have to mix it too much. Let's smell that. No worries, dude. Oh, there's electrical tape on that. I'll smell that later. I don't want to take too long with all this. I'll let you know after the fact. That's fine, dude. It works. Why not? And then Scottsdale, isn't that, I think that's, Razor Emporium. Maybe I'm wrong. I know there's another one I'm thinking about of Arizona. I can't remember off the top of my head. I gotta smell the Black Magic too. This is good stuff, dude. Thank you so much. Alright, I'll get to it. Sorry. Hey, Bassy. How's it going? Thanks for joining. I'm doing an unboxing. Got a straight razor from Kuttin with Kearnz. And this from a Legacy Razor. 5/8 straight razor. And some other goodies I'm in the middle of undoing here. All cool, man. I got a matching set of the Forest City. Thank you. That's cool. Yeah, he left. It's alright. I'm gonna smell the soap real quick. Ooh. Oh, that's different. You can smell the smoke in it. It has like a smoky kind of smell to it. That smells amazing. I'm gonna do the Cannibalist. Ariana and Evans. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells really good. The Ariana and Evans, I like that. I just bought the grapefruit for Jessica, my wife. What the hell is it called? Something mousse. It has the Eiffel Tower on it, but it's the grapefruit smell. It smells really good. Thanks, dude. All right, some Phoenix. Sangre de Drago. Is that blood of the dragon? Oh, that smells good. You're using your scoop, it look like. That smells really good. Thanks, man. I don't have any Phoenix shaving stuff either. Southern Witchcraft, I don't have any of theirs. Balsam, Whetstone, Carpathia. Oh, that's different. Exotic Musk, Black Tea. That's what I'm smelling. That smells really unique, dude. Thank you. That's cool. Some more Holy Call. Oh, okay. Another set. Thank you, man. Oh, that's different, huh? Oh, that smells good. That's different. That'll take some getting used to. Donkey milk. Alright, I'll have to read all this later. Does that say hops? Okay. That's different. I like that. I have to play with that. Lather it up. Smell it when it's lathered. What else we got here? Some Sterling. I have the Executive. That's the only Sterling I have. Varen. Russian flag, right? I hope that's Russia. I hate being the ignorant American that doesn't know his stuff. That smells really good. Lanolin shea butter. Oh, that smells good. I say all these smell good. Some of them are going to take some getting used to. That black tea one, the Carpathia. I almost dropped that. These two, that's really different. Not in a bad way, though. Different isn't bad. That's why we do this stuff, right? Sierra base. I don't know what Sierra is. I'll have to look that up. There's a barcode in the way. That's why I'm looking at it, kind of peering. Oh, Pasteur Pharmacy. Sweet. They're based out of New York. I want to go there. Dunshire. Oh, yeah. Now that smells good. That has a barbershop scent to it. What is that? That has almost like a borderline clay smell to it. That's cool. And then Hipster. I'm sorry, I'm rushing through these. I hope I'm holding it up. Doing okay. Oh, Sterling's based out of Arizona. Or no, Arkansas. Not Arizona. Arizona's AC, duh. AZ. That smells really good too. Oh. That smells really good. I like the Hipster, dude. Thank you. What do we got here? Hell yeah. That's cool, dude. You gave me some complete sets. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Dunshire Complete. I love complete stuff. And that's something I'm bad at, is when I get the soap, I want to get the aftershave too, but if I get something, I just end up getting a new soap. Carpathia Complete. Sweet. I gotta smell those. They all have tape on them. But I'll write you when I'm done here, man. Cannabis. Yeah, this is all complete. Outstanding, dude. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm good to go here. I gotta make some room. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Thanks, man. That's awesome. Very nice of you. Well, you got your hat on its way. Your Red Sox. I gotta check my email, see if you got a tracking number. If anyone's watching this after the fact, this is all from Kuttin with Kearnz. He sent me this care package. Check out his YouTube and check him out on Instagram. Same thing for both. Hey, Lather Whipster, what's going on, dude? You were just on. I was about to join your feed, and I was about to start my own. Did a care package with Kuttin with Kearnz. I don't know, I can show you real quick. Just opened all that stuff. Got a, what the hell did I do with it? New straight razor. And from Legacy Razors, oops, got a new 3/8 from Ryan at Legacy Razors. Yeah, and then Ryan at Legacy Razors, man, thank you. I know it's supposed to be random, but I appreciate you taking the time to search and get me that. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I almost got a Tears Izzard one, which I might still get. It's 130 bucks. But, alright. John, appreciate it, dude. Sorry you're kind of late. Lather. You can check it out after. Appreciate it. Thanks for joining. And I'll be talking to you. Thanks, guys. Take it easy.